How to clean Longchamp bag. Longchamp bags are known for their stylish design and durability, making them a popular choice for many people. Many of us rely on our Longchamp 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 bags as our daily bags because they hold everything we need. But with daily use, they will get dirty. Learn the best tips and tricks for cleaning your Longchamp bag to keep it looking fresh and stylish. This simple guide will help you maintain its beauty, ensuring it stays as good as new for years to come. Welcome to Best Choices. Things you'll need. 1. A mild cleaning solution like some mild detergent or liquid soap. 2. A gentle brush. 3. A big, flat surface big enough to lay your bag flat while brushing it and rinsing, you may use. 4. Your shower floor, a bathtub, or any clean, waterproof surface like a plastic outdoor table. 5. A plastic chair with a plastic back to hang the bag to dry. 6. A hanger. How to clean Longchamp bag. Step 1. Don't wash it in the washing machine. The nylon material of the 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 tends to bubble when handled improperly. Do not put them in the washing machine. They need to be hand-washed, gently. Step 2. Lay the bag on the clean surface. Wet both sides and the inside of the bag with water. Be careful when handling the bag, make sure it is as flat as possible. Minimize creasing and rubbing it on itself while wet because this will cause bubbling. Step 3. Start cleaning the inside of the bag as gently as possible. Keep the material as flat as you can while you soap the inside of the bag, don't forget the inside pocket. Use the brush to gently remove dirt and grime. Step 4. Start soaping the outside of the bag. Gently brush the material to loosen any dirt, making sure the material is still laying as flat as possible. Gently brush until you're satisfied that you've removed as much dirt as you can. Do this to the other side of the bag and the bottom part, too. Make sure not to crease the material. Step 5. Check the leather if it needs further cleaning. Generally, the leather is not that dirty and don't need anything more than a quick pass. Try not to get the leather too soaked. Step 6. Start rinsing the bag. Be gentle when handling the bag, avoid crumpling it or causing any creases. Rinse the inside, rinse the pocket, rinse the outside, rinse the leathers, make sure all soap has been rinsed off. Again, please do not crumple the bag or rinse it inside a pail. Just rinse it as best as you can while keeping the material as flat as possible. A hose-type shower head is recommended. Step 7. Dry the bag upside down. The back of a plastic chair is best for this. Put the Longchamp 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 upside down over the back of a clean monoblock chair and let the water drip down. The bag's zipper is open and the back of the chair is inside the bag. Let it dry like this for a day or longer. Step 8. Hang the 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 on a hanger and let it dry. Hang the 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 on a hanger and let it dry further for another day. Check the insides and the leather straps and make sure they are dry. Don't clip any part of the bag. Just let it hang on a hanger with the zipper open. Step 9. Ready to use, or store. Once your Longchamp 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 is clean and dry, it's ready to use, or store, as you prefer. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Let the bag dry completely before storing. 2. Keep the bag material as flat as you can throughout the process. Warnings. 1. Do not rub the bag fabric together, or squeeze it or crumple it, especially when wet, to avoid bubbling. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.